Hello and welcome to this Primavera P6 training video on filters and how to apply them to your schedule. In today's training we'll go through the many filters that P6 has to offer and also go through how to create our own and apply them to a schedule. Let's get started. To find your filters, you'll go up to the top bar and hover over this funnel icon and it'll say filter by. Click that. So in filters you have three main areas. Default. All of these are automatically always in here, so you can click on any of these in progress, search for everything that has level of effort, longest path. You can open up all your milestones. Anything that has a negative float, if you click this and hit apply, everything that's negative will pop up. That's a good way of kind of reviewing activities that are behind schedule. Another area is the global area. So all of these will automatically be in here. You cannot delete these and you cannot modify any of these. So in here you'll find the 3-week look ahead, 4-week look ahead, activities with constraints. This is also a good one to review because you don't want to have constraints unless you absolutely need to. Try to do your schedule with at least amount of constraints as possible. For review, missing logic is a big one. You want to make sure that you always have logic added in. Not complete. That's a good way of just kind of reviewing what still has to happen, and then so on and so forth. And then you have the last area where it's your own user-defined area. In here, you can create your own type of filters for any such activities that you want. So let's just add a new one. I'm going to call this GC. Then in the parameters area, if you click that, you can scroll down and it'll have tons of different ways that you can search for in the P6 hierarchy. So baseline, start and finishes. If you're doing costs, you can do cost variance, budgets, floor, free float, late finish, down to predecessors, successors, and let's just go down and do a case study. So let's go to, I'm going to get subs, and then this will give you kind of the second area under is, and it will automatically fill in certain criteria that you need to look for. So you don't really need to worry about the is area, but in this I'm going to say equals. So in my subcategory column, I'm going to look for subs that equal, and then you click on the value and it'll open up our matrix, and then you can go through here and look up what sub you want to find. So I'm going to do GC and use my current schedule to find everything that is under the GC value. Hit OK, hit apply, hit OK. You can see that it only brings up GC activities in my subcategory. Now let's go back into our filters and do another case study with keeping the GC area clicked, but let's also select up in the global area the not complete. So this will hide everything that's complete in your schedule and only show you GC activities that are left. So you can see one that has started but not finished. This is a good way of filtering your schedule for activities that aren't complete yet for certain areas, certain subs. One note about using filters is that they are used to mine specific activities and data from the schedule. Whether the activities are complete or not complete, whether you're still building a schedule, use filters as much as you need to navigate your schedule to help you build logic, review logic, or help your team see the schedule in certain areas or ways so then you can get the information out to your field team, to your subs, to your owners, to your clients, and anyone else that needs certain data to complete the work. Thank you for watching this Primavera P6 training on filters. See you next time.